Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from the USA, in particular Chicago. This comes from my buddy, the Fat Hipster. He's got a YouTube channel, and he's also a moderator on Ramen Junkies. If you want to join us on there. It's a Facebook group. You'll see it's called Ramen Junkies, the Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider. If you type in Ramen Junkies, you're sure to find it. We've got about 70,000 people in there right now, so come join us and enjoy the ramen doings and such. But yeah, he's one of 7 of us that moderate the group, and helps out a lot. Thanks. All right, well, he heeded the call for noodle varieties I hadn't tried, so let's crack it open and see what he sent. Oh, well, a while back he sent some stuff that was really spicy, and he did it again. I believe this is a stir-fry version of the Devil of Fire noodle, so we'll see how that goes. I've been doing a lot of mukbang lately, so yeah, and there's a couple packs of it, so wow, thanks. Here's another multi-pack. This looks just plain evil. Maybe this is the, I don't know, the spiciest in the world. From what he said, it doesn't sound like it is, but it's pretty hot, so another one to endure, thank you. And a couple of versions of Vite Ramen. Their collaboration with Fly by Jing. This is a Szechuan chili edition, so this should be pretty good. And this one's their grilled ribeye beef. I want to say this was a special edition or something, I really don't know, but cool. Thank you very much. Well, cool. Thanks, dude. A couple packs for the people who want to burn their guts out, and a couple of packs who are more for the more health conscious. So, nice combo. Thank you. And hey, this has been On for Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.